it's your girl Slay LT, and thank you for stopping by my channel for another video. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. If you aren't, I pray that your day gets better. Today is actually one of those dreary Wednesdays, but I do have a haul that I have, and I'm just gonna get right to it. I will say that this haul that I'm gonna show you guys is more I wouldn't say athletic type haul, because I am getting more involved in like my weight loss journey and things to help me speed up the weight loss process, things that I want to do to incorporate into my workout plans, and also things that I need to kind of make me more motivated or motivate me some more. I do have several items in this haul, so I'm just going to get right to it. I'm in my glam room. As you can see, I do need to reorganize some of my clothes back here. So, yeah, let me just get right to it. Now, one thing I will say, I do have a wedding that I'm attending within the next couple of weeks, a month to be exact. And I did order a dress that did not fit, but I'm not going to send it back only because I think that I will probably be able to wear it in the future. And let me back up. This is a Shein haul. So what I'm going to actually do is show you guys pictures of the items as I normally do. So when I pulled this dress, I've already taken it out of the bag. Now, one thing, the reason why I wanted to show you guys this is because when I tell you this dress, you're going to see the full dress in the pictures, but this is the front of the dress. And although it does need to be steamed or steam ironed or maybe dry clean, I wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of how heavy this material is. This dress was actually nicely made. I was very surprised, even though for the most part, you guys know, out of all of the companies that I do order from, Shein is actually the top company that I will always suggest that you make online purchases from, because their items are always, I would say that they're good quality items. And if I had to even compare them to Fashion Nova, I would say that they're actually better than Fashion Nova, only because everything that I've ordered from Fashion Nova, although it fits, it has like a weird fit to it, if that makes sense. Like one of the jumpers that I have, I think I did a video on those, on that jumper, and it's actually the same color, but it's my size, but it's like this little piece in the middle that is very tight, so that it's just a weird fit. So I honestly think that they have like certain size that they obviously cater to, but it's almost like it's altered to only fit that body style. But y'all, this dress is so, like, the material, I don't know if you guys can see that. Just look at the stitching. This actually looks like a professionally designed, although it's supposed to be. But you guys know when you order stuff through the mail, it's kind of hit or miss, because sometimes you might get something that's silk, but it's like so paper thin you can almost see through. You can't see through this, and this is very heavy. So I'm gonna show you guys the picture at the end. And again, I'm not going to send this back because I'm pretty sure in a few months I will be able to fit that dress. And again, it doesn't have sleeves. As you can see, I'm struggling with my arms, but I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna keep trying until I get there, or the end result will be surgery. The second piece I have, now when I saw this cloak, I was like, oh my God, I want to be out here looking like one of these witches in the street. But I thought this cloak was so cute, and it's like you can wear this to a function. You could wear it like with a dress outfit. You can even wear these with some jeans. So I thought it was uber classy, uber elegant, and very fashionable. You show up to a dinner party or out with some friends with this on, with some jeans on, and a nice shirt. Oh my God, killing it. So I thought that was cute as well. And I believe that's all of the, oh no, okay. So I did purchase batwing shirt, and I'm taking these out the bag here as well. This batwing shirt, it is just a regular black and white shirt. but it is bat wing, and it kind of goes down to your hips, and it goes like sideways off of your shoulder. You guys know what I'm talking about with that type of style. I am going to put pictures again in the box so you can kind of get an idea as to what it looks like. There was also another shirt in here. This is a crop top, one of those cloak sweaters, and it actually, you can see, it's like one of those sweaters that you can put like over either like a tank top or like a short sleeve shirt. These would pair cute with some jeans, and of course it's a long sleeve. I thought these were cute. I'm also going to put the pricing and what my discount and everything I paid for it on this video as well, so you guys can kind of get an idea. Now, the thing with Shein, as you know, once you order a certain amount, you will get discounts for each item. So once you order, it will give you like a list of the amount that it takes off for each item. So that's one thing I like about them. So I'm going to get right into some of the athletic stuff, and I still have a few more pieces after that. I'm going to try to go quick because I do need to clear out my phone, and I am recording from my phone today, not my camera. So so this is one of the athletic pants that I have. Now, one thing I like about Shein, their athletic gear is very comfortable. One, I actually wore one last night when I worked out. This is a size 12, y'all. It's an extra large. Yes, an extra large, but it stretches. So, and when I tell you, it's so comfortable to work out in. Like, you sweat, but it's not like, you know how when you sweat sometimes it might be like everywhere. Like this thing, you sweat, but you won't be like, ugh, like just dripping in stinky sweat. So it's almost like a dry, tight material. So it's definitely a good piece to work out in. Okay, so I'm going to get right into the other. As you can see, I love my waist trainers, and this is another waist trainer that I purchased. This one is actually the one with the belt and the zip in the front. So I do have the ability to zip it in the front and Velcro it in the front as well. And it comes like right under the breast, where the breast is actually going to be lifted up. And it also helps to give your breast shape a little bit more, I would say, to it while you're working out, losing weight. That was one of the things that I did speak to one of my girlfriends about recently. When you start to lose weight, you do lose weight in your breast. So I want to be able to, even though losing weight, I want my breast to be, you know, a little bit more proportion and kind of lifted a little bit. The next item I have, this is a resistant band. And the way how you use this resistant band is you tie this band around your waist, and then you use these. You put these in your feet, and you use these to work out. Now, these are good for like donkey kicks. You can also do squats with these. What else did I see? And also, now I don't know, because these move around like this, I was thinking about doing arm exercises with this too. Kind of like clamping it around your waist and then doing arm exercise. I think that'd be a dope idea to try at least. Let you guys know if that works. So, and again, I have pictures at the end. Now, these items were not expensive at all. And the reviews were saying that it was definitely helpful as far as losing weight. Now, this is an armband, but within this armband, it has like this type of material on the inside. And supposedly, this type of material helps you sweat. So, I wanted to get this for my armband because I wanted to have something that when I work out, I can kind of get that extra sweat around my armband. It is a little snug. We're gonna make it do what it do, but once I get everything on as far as like my sweatshirt or whatever, I'm gonna put this on and then put my sweatshirt over this and kind of like work out so I can get that extra arm sweat going on. And the thing about this order is with Shein, you keep in mind that some of the pieces that you order, especially workout pieces like this, they only come in one. So you have to make sure that you're selecting two for the options. So if you do not, let me repeat, if you do not select 2, you're only going to get 1 of this. So you have to make sure you check it actually says in the description of it, it will say it comes with 1 piece or 2 piece or what have you. The next item is actually the same, but it is the other sleeve. Same thing, just different sleeve. Okay. And the next thing I have here is kind of similar to that, but this actually has the Velcro in the inside. But one thing I will say about these, it smells really bad. It has a very strong, and I ordered this one in a large. So for this, I actually ordered 3 of these. I ordered 1 in a large, 1 in an extra large, and 1 was one that zipped in the front. So I was like, I wanted to make sure that not only does it fit, but I wanted to make sure that I had different sizes just in case. Just in case. Let's see what this says.